It's done. Paperwork signed. Title signed over. We did it. So, how many Nissans do I have now? Let's see. There's one in the driveway. There's a Frontier. There's my 2000 Xterra. There's a 2009 Xterra. There's a 2017 Titan. Oh, and there is a 2017 Sentra in the driveway. But what if we add one more Nissan to that driveway? Is that intriguing? And should I tell everybody what I've done? Because it's not what you think I would have done. And look at the flag back there. God bless America. That's like a perfect shot that I didn't even intend. Anyways, there's a new Nissan coming, fellas and ladies. It's a little bit of fun, is all I'm going to say. And I've already got plans. It ain't going to stay stock. So, if you guys want to know, tune in the next week and let's see what happens. Peace, everybody. Oh, this is going to be fun.